Namaste. Today we will do a flip through of this book, which is Disney Villains Spiroglyphics, and it is by Thomas Pavete. Now, before I purchased this book, I had three books from the same illustrator, and his books are really good. The size of the lines or the spaces that you have to color and the quality of the paper all are quite good. So I really liked the three books that I already had of his, and that's why I decided to purchase this one. Now, there's not really much that I would be able to show you for the pure reason that unless you fill in the color, you cannot make out what the picture is. But I'm sure that the answers will be there at the end, which I'm going to show. So, if you are somebody who likes to be surprised, maybe this video is not for you. Uh, but let's start. I do love when I open a book and it doesn't open fully. It means it's brand new. So I need to break in the spine. Yes. Okay. So very minimalistic. It says Disney villains spiroglyphics. Is it spiroglyphics? Since I started learning Spanish, I feel that I pronounce the R's and the E's a little differently. Anyways, so spiroglyphics, and then the paper is like, can you hear that? That's almost like midway to being a card paper. So really, really good quality. Then here it says uh, Thunder Bay Press, and it's in San Diego. This has been printed in Malaysia, however, and then there is the information about the uh, publishing team, editor, and those things. The copyright is showing as 2020. So, and then this is the first page. This one is, of course, is similar to all the pages that we get in the spiroglyphics, and I have always till now done it only this way, right? I have tried different colors, yes, but I think now it's time for me to advance on to these kind of things. So let's see how I deal with it, whether I do half and half or how do I do it. So I'm not sure, but I'll try something different in this book, that's for sure. Okay, and then starts the book. It does have the page numbers, but you cannot make out anything, so there's no point in me showing you anything. Okay, so let's then just go to the end. So there are 20 images. Okay, and now I'm going to show the answers. So these are the answers, and I don't know if you can see it clearly. Let me try this way. Yeah. So the Big Bad Wolf, Captain Hook, Cruella, Dawn, Facilor, Evil Queen, Others, Jafar, King Candy, Lady Tremaine, Maleficent, Mother Gothel, Pete, Prince John, Queen of Hearts, Scar, Shere Khan, Ursula, Jokai, and how do you pronounce it? Chima, Zima. Anyways, so these are the 20 characters that are there, and I think it pretty much covers most of the villains in the Disney movies. My favorite memory is for Pete. and The Big Bad Wolf because that's what I used to watch as a kid. Uh, the others, yes, they are part of my growing up journey, except for this one, Maleficent. Believe it or not, I have not seen that movie till now. Um, but yeah, also Shere Khan, he was part of the growing up journey. Yeah, and then they have given the other titles by Thomas Pavite. Uh, I'm not a big fan of the dot to dot, and I'm saying that without even trying. I'm sorry, but I don't see the fascination in that one. But the Quirkles animals, yes, I have recently ordered it, so I will put up a separate flip through for that one. So that was it, and I'm not sure if I color these ones if I will get something. I'm curious to know. Let's see, because there are loops and humps and narrow and wider spaces. So these are some pictures, but I don't know what they are. Maybe I'll try them one day. So that was it for this book. If you have not yet subscribed, then please do so. And thanks for having stopped by. Have a nice day. Bye.